Team Implode Audio. For the love of bass, this beat is powered by DJ Drop. Increase volume levels now. Enjoy your bass experience.
What up? Alright, so this is Audio Q 6.5s. This is the top piece to the wall, the back side of it. Getting ready to solder some wires. Alright, got the first two wired up and soldered. Got some seriously heavy duty speaker wire here, some monster cable, 12 gauge. That ought to work real good for these. Alright, we got the second set soldered in. Looking good. There's what they look like on the front. Oh yeah, it's gonna be loud, that's for sure. Alright guys, so we're going to test them, see what they sound like. I got my sub amp unhooked right now, so if you can see them up there, there's 4 of the Audio Q 6.5s up at the top of the wall and 2 of the JL Audio 6x9s on the sides.
I know my body took a lot of ink, long smoke a lot of stink, bladder pistol a lot of pink, cause that lean I like to drink. My face got a lot of tats, my girl got a lot of gold, my mouth talk a lot of shit, my dick fuck a lot of hoes, my stomach be filled with shrimp, legs limping like a skunk, gazelles on my fucking frame, waves all in my tip, my mind they be on the prize, hands on with the 9, my trap house they keep a line, cause I'm selling dark and high. Gucci man, I'm millionaire. My house, I be seldom there. I always be on the road. Bank account got several O's. My britches be true religion. In my kitchen, cooking chicken, smoking swishers, busting Phillies. Bought 2 Rarys, spent $1 million. This watch right here cost 90,000, plain Jane. But I'ma put some rocks up in it anyway. These haters, they gon' hate on you like anyway. So I'm gon' put some runs on my shit anyway. I doubt that I can find another any day. Anyway. It's not that hot outside, but I'ma drop it anyway. Way back, said Maybach, yeah, it's out back. I mean out back, my straight bitch got a fat ass, it's a bit tit. I fought with her cause her accent, with a heel blow cause it accent. My Louis V shades, plus it matched the ace of spades. On newborns, talking Audemars, I got 2 on. 1 plain Jane, 1 iced out. Nigga tried me, knocked lights out. Got goonies, phenomenal hands on. Run a check up, put my mans on. That's A1, LBG, free Boosie, free BG. You know what I'm saying? Away, I'm a done hoe. Yo, house size of my condo. I just rap shit for the fun hoe. Last over down, pre-Rocco. Young dinosaur, old school, through our tree toss. Where that money at? I want me some. With your main bitch and your little sis. You know what time it is, nigga, 3 some. This watch right here cost 90,000, plain Jane. But I'ma put some rocks up in it anyway. These haters, they gon' hate on you like anyway. So I'm gon' put some runs on my shit anyway. I doubt that I can find another any day. Anyway. It's not that hot outside, but I'ma drop it anyway.
All I can say is that shit is clean. It is definitely loud. That was probably just quarter volume right there, just to hear how clean they sound. I'm sure if I crank it up, it'll freaking kill the camera. So, all right, guys, later.
Can you feel the bass? Team Claude Audio, for the love of bass.